Yes sir, what up everybody? Marco the Rim Plug, back with another video, doing some running around, and I wanted to show you what I got going on today. Yesterday was Springfield, Illinois, Mini Cooper transport delivery, and today is my own work. We're gonna do a we ain't gonna do shit. We're gonna pick up our other 87 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. We've had it over at Chris's shop, Westside Auto Repair, for a couple weeks. He's been done with it, but I keep throwing stuff at him to do, milking the clock over there. But he's done. He got my floors done. Have had a couple patches to repair on the floor. Had the brakes looked at. I think he put in a couple of calipers. Got the brake system bled out right. He put my carpet back in. He put my seats back in, and he said it's ready. So we're gonna pick it up. I'm gonna show y'all some footage of it. I'm gonna make some footage of it for everybody, because that's gonna be our next giveaway. It's gonna be our next giveaway. He did he also put on the 24-inch Forgiatos. 24-inch Forgiatos rim and tire. The stance was off. I think it was really low in the front and really high in the back. It kind of had a rake. It had like one of those racing stances. So I actually don't know what it looks like. I don't know what stance he gave me, but I just told him to get the fours on there and get it right. So me and you are gonna be in for a surprise, my boy. Stay tuned. We're headed to Westside Auto Repair now. Made it. We made it. And I told you they've been calling me to pick this car up. It looked like they were waiting for me. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, that's a nice stance. She's dirty. You good? That's a nice it's a nice stance on this bad boy.
Yeah, it's a little lower, but you need a thumb, very nice, and match the barrels.
No, doing all that shit.
Yeah. Oh,
I'll trade you.
Okay.
10 lug nuts for the Monte Carlo.
Yeah, sounds good, bro.
Hell yeah. I'll be back.
Don't take back.
I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, luckily we had the frame notch.
Yeah.
Holy shit. So normally, how the fuck you make this shit happen normally?
It has extended studs on this side and a
Yeah, but I mean, when somebody brings in their rims with the 5-inch, you have to frame.
The little corners.
Okay. All right. I thought you could just go. No, then you would have to go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big difference back in the day.
Yeah.
Who's the nanny?
White boy. My fucking F350 injector's out. So.
You just got a 2-car trailer too.
Yep. I know, man, but. Well, one injector. So, but the shop's not working on it because it's cold. Yeah, so this is temporary. Okay, carnal. Wanna load this bad boy. Thank you. No problem. Estamos. Yeah. She's dirty. Got the fucking Sterling wheel on there too. Yes. Okay, let's fucking load it. let's load it and get it out of here and see what we can wash it or something. Okay, I like to look out the window to see where I'm gonna stop. Okay, here we go. Yes. So it's got to be past the 50% mark. I gotta get the door from. Damn, I do got the door. I got the door over at Pepe's Locksmith. Okay, we gotta figure that out because I got no door key. And we're on the move, baby. We're on the move. Okay. Cars up, cars on. Get out of the way. Okay. Strap her down and get her to the wash. Should have time to make it. Sal said he might be leaving around 4. It's still daylight, so it's not 4 yet. I just want to get the wash out of the way so I can put the car away. Actually, no. So I can take video and put it on the next giveaway. $100 a ticket. Gotta figure out how many tickets and how many cash prizes. But let me load this bad boy up first. And stay tuned. For the ticket numbers. Holy shit. This cold is making me move fast. Okay. Shit, it's so cold I missed the hole. Yeah, do you know what company you used in the past? Caffeine, Qualify, Progressive, and Snap. Okay, I'll send it. They're all the same, but I'll send it to you. Copy. Thank you, brother. All right. Qualify. Wash. Ooh, look at all that dirt. That was just with the damn gun. I saw the dirt roll off that motherfucker. Oh, look at that shit, dirty. Damn. It has been about a year since its last wash. Look at that dirt just roll off, dude. I have to run it. I have to run it back. Check out these gold on gold joint 24s, 5 on 112 bolt pattern. See what these are gonna be going on soon. You got the billet cap, billet floating cap, chrome screws, inside outside. Look like they made it a two-piece and sprayed it all around. It's that new, my boy. New to you. Staggered front lip here, rear lip there. Looking clean, Billie Jean.